Hey there, happy day 1327. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And today I want to talk very briefly about storms. We had a really bad storm this morning, about 3:18. It hit my small town in Wisconsin. And usually we don't get hit, but we got hit badly. Our library, the top of the boathouse in our town, right in the riverfront, was ripped off and blown into the library. I've never seen anything like it. My daughter and I and my granddaughter went downtown to check it out. We actually had lightning strike a tree in the yard, another tree that was uprooted. So we got a big mess to clean up today. No electricity. It's expected to be on around 5. I suspect if we have it by 8 or 10 tonight, we would be very fortunate and lucky. And so we're going to look forward to that. My son-in-law is a lineman, so he is out on storm duty, helping to clean up the mess of the storm and get people's power restored. So that's exciting. Today we talked about, for Supersize Your Business, the idiom, get your creative juices flowing. And I shared like 10 or so ways to get your creative juices flowing. And I'm sure I looked about like this, no makeup, no face. And I didn't do this interesting face mask filter, but I thought it was kind of funny given that everything's been discombobulated and crazy today. Actually, I've gone over to my sister's house because she was on the other side, the south side of town, and they had actually virtually no damage. A little bit of wind and leaves and things blowing around their yards, but south of Highway 94, Interstate 94, seems to have been unscathed by this particular storm. Yet downtown in our small town, as well as we live on the north side of 94, that seems to have gotten tons of damage. 100-year-old trees uprooted. And it's going to be a weekend of work and toil and cleaning up, which is always good because it helps us to get to know ourselves better, like we're doing for our annual challenge this year. Do one thing every day that centers you, or centers us, from this little journal book. And today was about life being short. So we want to be swift to love and make haste to be kind. And talking about how we love today. Well, I'm hanging out with my granddaughter today, my sister today, my daughter, and doing what we can to help clean up the mess and move life forward, because we all need to lend a hand in times of emergency and trauma. So that's it. Any way I can help you, hit me up. I probably won't have electricity till tomorrow or so don't be upset if I don't answer promptly, but I am here to help you in any way that I can. Have an absolutely awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye.